Replace ink cartridges in the HP OfficeJet Pro 9130 printers. Replace depleted ink cartridges with genuine HP ink cartridges. Purchase a new ink cartridge. Use genuine HP ink cartridges for your printer. Purchase genuine replacement ink cartridges from local retail stores or from HP. www.hp.com/go/sure-supply. Remove and replace an ink cartridge. Replace the ink cartridge with a new, genuine HP ink cartridge. Turn on the printer. Open the front door. Lift the cartridge access door. Wait until the carriage is idle and silent before you continue. Press the front of the cartridge to release it, and then remove it from the slot. Recycle the used cartridge. Visit hp.com/recycle to recycle the used cartridge. Remove the new cartridge from its package. Insert the cartridge securely into the indicated slot. Make sure the color-coded letter on the cartridge matches that on the slot. Repeat these steps to replace the other cartridges, if necessary. Close the cartridge access door. Close the front door. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.